blooper reel. It is just going to latch now on here, like, like, like so. 3 times a charm. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Look at this beautiful place I am. Happy Hearts Campground. Yep. And I'm doing a product review again here on the BioLite. As you can see, I've got some little extras, I guess you can say, here on the table. Solar panel, and it's also acts as a cover, poker, lifter, and then the mat. But these are just the extra stuff, right? We don't need to see this. We came here for the big boy. Ah, let's see what it is. What is it? Can you see me behind the box here? Yeah. Let me get the knife out. I need the knife. Well, we're camping, and this is the best thing I'm gonna get to a knife. It's working. Look at that. For my meat eater friends. Also cooks vegan food, and we're gonna show you that today. There's the view of the stove on the box. Let's open this up. It's got the grill rack cover. We don't need that right now. The main unit in here. This is what'll help create that fire and keep that fire going. USB cables. Basically, they give you everything ready to go. So now this has the USB input and output for the fan. Your battery compartment. So if we push this, you can see that we have battery already and the speed of the fan. We got the handles, which we're gonna have to screw on to the sides. So like all barbecues, there's a little bit of work to put this together. So I'm gonna just put all the handles on here, screw them on, and then we'll be back. I'm not gonna bore you with all this. All right, boring part is over. Handles are on. Then look at the feet slide open on both sides. So look at that, now it stands a nice height up. So it's neat, so it's actually a little bit higher up. So if we go here and you see it on the ground, you know, you can put some chairs around it. Here's the bench. You can have the chairs around it. You got your own little fire pit going. Here is that main unit. And this unit too will actually charge a device. So again, you want to charge up your cell phone or something small, it can be done. And now if I turn on, it'll actually start to kick on in here. So that'll help circulate that fire around. It's got the air ducts around here, the vents. So the X-ray mesh is what they call it. So you can actually look through here and see the fire. Dual use, so you can use firewood or charcoal. So I'll put it on the bottom here. The grate here can actually be lifted. So I can put it on top of here. So now it's even closer. So again, cooking. I have it up top while I'm cooking. Lower it when I want to make that fire, just have a nice fire pit, roast up some marshmallows. I'm actually going to raise this up because we're going to be using it for cooking today. And speaking of cooking, we can't forget that grill grate. So it's pretty cool on this grill grate. It's actually got locks. So if I put it in here, now it's locked in. So it slides in. If you need to tend to that fire, you can slide it off while your food is still on there. Tend to your fire, put more on, and back in. So one thing left to do, I gotta cook on this. Let's get it started. Let's go. All right, so now we'll start and lighten this up. So we gotta start the fire from the bottom. So get your regular twigs and little branches. So get those twigs to get it going. And now I'm gonna turn it on. Now we're gonna put that rack back in. And hopefully these woods catch on fire before it goes out. I can already feel it circulating in here actually. I'm gonna make sure this gets going before I put the rack back on. So the other thing too, when you're actually building normal fires, you would do crisscross, right? So in here, you're not really doing that. So I wonder how we're gonna be putting the fire on top. But that's the whole thing of me testing this out. And you can see now that I can fill up that fire from here. I'm gonna put this up one more. So again, just with the button here, touch of it, and you can already hear that spin. And now look at that flame. Look at the flame in here. How it's already circulating around. So there's the chambers on the side, and you can see this here on the bottom and the side. So that's where it's circulating all that air from. And you can see this wood now is going. So how long have you guys owned this campsite now?
My wife's parents have had it for 38 years.
All right, so is it pretty much smokeless? Yes, but there is smoke. I don't know if you can see from here. I've been cooking with the wood on here instead of using the charcoal. The cool factor is looking through that. That is pretty cool. That what they call that X-ray sides. Look at that. When you're looking at through the sides, that's really, really cool. So it's like your typical fire pit barbecue. I mean, it is called a fire pit. When you're cooking on here, you've got enough room. Let's say, 2, 4, 6, 8 burgers, good amount of sausages. I threw the potatoes in there so you can see them down on the bottom. You can raise this up when you are using the charcoal because you can bring it up closer to make sure you're getting that heat even on the bottom. All right, so let's talk some of the accessories. So you have the mat here, which is really cool because if you're on a surface that you can't get it hot, put it on there. So now if you're on top of grass or anywhere else that you can catch that flame, this mat will stop that from happening. And then you got the poker tool and lifter tool. So this is another one. My issue with this is that it's sold separately. I think this should actually come with the kit. Not that mat, but this thing should come with the kit because you need this to slide it across without burning your hands. So I'm gonna move this back. And then you can use it to grab under here to latch it. So you see now I can latch onto the side. You can use it as a poker to move around the fire. All right, I got my potato out of my way. But you see now here, I can't latch it because the other piece is in my way. See, because this only goes so far. That's as far as it goes. So now trying to latch this on, if you want to raise this while you have that on, that's not gonna happen. So just a quick note for everyone too, if you wanna raise that, make sure you do it before you put this on because I can't get that side in for the life of me. I'm just gonna end up kicking this over there, but it's not mine, so I can't kick it. But that's why you get the honest reviews from me because I'm gonna tell you straight. There you go, you got a view of the park behind me here. Lovely, lovely park. But you're wondering, why am I not by the BioLite? Well, the reason is this is the carry case. This is a solar panel here. And when you turn it over, the connections are all inside here. So this will actually connect in through to the BioLite from the bottom that'll give it the charge when it's going on via the solar panel. Then it also has your carrying cases. So this will fully go on there. Obviously the machine is hot right now, so I'm not gonna put it on there, but I just wanted to show that. That's another accessory. As far as a cover, it's great, but that solar panel, it just takes way too long to charge it up. Okay, so speaking about covers, the BioLite actually comes with a cover. It's nothing fancy or anything, but honestly, listen, it's just to cover your machine. So do you really need fancy? So as far as the other one compared to this, that's what I'm saying. It already comes with one. Use this. The other one is nice. It has the handles and that solar panel. The original one versus the solar panel one, I wouldn't buy. I wouldn't spend the extra money to buy that solar panel one. All right, the BioLite FirePit is that. It is what it says it is. It is a fire pit first and foremost. Then you can use it for cooking. You can cook by the firewood or you can cook with the briskets. That is secondary. So we have to remember that this is a secondary unit for cooking, but it has that ability. It's really cool. Again, for the $400 price tag, I probably would end up buying this. Virtually smokeless. There's lots of campsites around me that are just smoking up everything here. And as I'm saying, it's virtually smokeless is actually smoking in my face here. But to get it started, it's just like a normal fire pit. You have to get your starters going. After you get the starters going, then it's gonna just go naturally, just like you would be doing a regular campfire. Oh, I gotta go a little lower here. It takes a little bit of time to get it going, but once it does, very easy to maintain. You have the connections on here. If you find it's too much, too fast, that's burning too hot, you can adjust it down, adjust it higher, but now it's going down all the way. So I can turn it up and down, very easy. Again, you can use it to charge, which is a really nice, neat feature. Lugging it around is not that bad because again, it's fairly light. So it's 9 kilos or roughly 18 pounds. Tending to the fire, you can put about 4 logs typical logs, so it's not too bad. It's not really, don't be expecting a big bonfire. It's not going to happen from here unless you take this cover off and just keep stacking them up. But then you lose that visual from the front, so that's pretty neat. Poker, I say it's definitely kind of a must. So in general, I really like this unit, and I would have it. This would be your day trip barbecue with the family. The other BioLite, which I'll link into the description somewhere over here, that is good for your backpacker style. But this one here, you throw a couple logs and away it goes, and just keep filling it, and that's it. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, give it a big thumbs up. If you did not find it useful, give it a thumbs down twice. Thanks for watching. Catch you all on the next one. BioLite app, very, very basic. It is searching for it via Bluetooth. As you can see here, this is it. I can basically turn it to low, medium, high, max, or off. I guess the only other good thing is that you can also see in the top that it's going to tell me I have an hour and 20 minutes left if I'm using it on max. If I go down to medium, watch that change. See, 2 hours and a half, and it keeps climbing. 5 hours. So at least it tells you how long the runtime is on it. So if you notice, that's what I was talking about. What's cool about this is that it's very portable. So now we have our hammock set up here, and Margarita's cocooned inside there, where this fire pit just stays there. Peekaboo. And now we are in the hammock, swinging away, enjoying the fire pit right in front of us, keeping us warm and toasty. Right?
Yes.
All right, now we're going to finally say bye to this video. Say bye.
Bye.
Hey, like I was saying, we're here at Happy Hearts, and I'm here with Dave.
Hi, guys.
Yeah, he's kind of camera shy, as you can tell. As I said, I'm not sponsored by BioLite, so this unit was actually supplied to me by Dave. So the unit you saw that I have, my little Day Packers backpack, that is mine, but this one is Dave. So Dave, thank you very much for letting us put this to the test and do a quick video on it.
No problem.